What's good, Terra Classic friends? I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back into the channel. Thank you so much to all the new supporters. So what's going on with Terra Classic at the moment? You can see we're ranked 213. Finally, we removed another zero. We're back to the 0.0001 price level again. $657 million market cap. And you can see it has performed quite well today. Over the last 7 days, we did lose that top that we saw, this euphoric bounce around the 0.00012 levels. And hopefully we can recover them soon. So let's have a look at a bit of Luna Classic news as well as price analysis. Loads of altcoins in the space are doing amazing today. We can see we've got MV stealing the spotlight, doing really well, as well as a few other blue chip projects in the space. So let's have a little look. I did some Twitter research today. What are the best Luna burners? What is responsible for burning the most amount of the tokens? Well, we can see holders reaping rewards in LUNC as Lunatic's token becomes the #1 burner. Lunatic's token, we can see a massive amount has been burned, 550 million, followed by the MEXC centralized exchange, followed by the LUNC DAO. So it's quite interesting to see which platform is responsible for the most tokens being burned. Furthermore, we can see the technical side of things. We are sitting in a buy signal here. I don't know how accurate this is, not financial advice, of course, but many Terra Luna bulls, especially Luna Classic bulls, are anticipating a pump to the 0.0002 levels at least some point in the next few weeks or months. So what's happening with our friend Luna Classic at the moment? We can see we just got that pure rejection off this resistance here. The resistance we keep talking about, that 0.0001, at this point it's just a psychological barrier, and we keep folding, we keep losing price structure at that particular level. You can see we came up, we had a massive wick with a huge upper wick on the body, and this does signify that there's a lot of selling pressure around that particular level. If we go back to the 4-hour time frame, you can see we're not really overbought or oversold on the relative strength index, and we're just sitting right directly in the middle of the Bollinger Band, hovering just above the 20-day moving average. Ideally, what we want to see is a breakout from this particular resistance level, and then maybe we will see at least a retest of the 0.00017 levels. If we do get rejected here and we see downside continuation, I'd be looking at the lower support levels where we've written in support twice now. We wrote in support over here on the 13th of July and also here on the 25th of July for our friend Luna Classic, and that could be effectively another area where investors or traders identify a lot of value, and I speculate that's where we'll see a lot of accumulation once again. That should be the floor price. This is the area we do not want to lose. So we've been trading sideways in this consolidation phase for 36 days. Prior to this, we did something similar. We were in an 18-day consolidation phase, and then following this, that's when we actually saw a massive price increase. You can see that's where we saw the explosion, 200%. So I am still anticipating that we do see a pump at some point in the future. I'm not sure how high or where to, but this is what we're looking for. And even, pragmatically speaking, not getting too bullish, if we looked at the golden pocket, I still anticipate the 0.618 Fibonacci extension target of 0.000135 could occur if we get the breakout, which would give you a 34.5% increase in price from these particular levels. So it all kind of depends on what happens from this particular level here. If we just take away those Bollinger Bands and the moving average, we can see what's going on. It all depends if we can actually see more continuation to the upside for this project. I do think in 2022, a lot of the price activity for this project here, Luna Classic, will be sort of just chopping up and down, trading in this region, maybe even coming up and then back in, and then I just think a lot of sideways trading will be happening for a lot of crypto projects for a long time. So let me know what you think, guys. What do you think is going to happen with Terra Luna Classic? Do you think we're going to see a breakout soon? Do you think we're going to fold and lose the price structure? Let me know down in the comments below. We can also see crypto fear and greed index today. We're sitting at 31, so we're not in extreme fear anymore. Things are starting to look a little better. Just a friendly reminder to subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, you will get access to the $200 crypto giveaway of my favorite project known as Lucky Block. And all you got to do is slap that subscribe button. Anyways, guys, have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Stay crypto safe. Check out the telegrams down below. Check out my Discord. Come say hi. That's the only way you can message me. I will never message you anywhere else. And anything that looks like me is just an impersonator. See you soon.